Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share 3 different ways that I like to add texture in Procreate to my illustrations. I love adding texture, it's a lot of fun, and I just feel like it makes the art feel less flat, and it just creates more like visual interest and makes it feel more handmade, like you're drawing on paper. The first way to add texture, which is really great, it actually looks like you're drawing on watercolor paper. I actually just googled a watercolor texture paper. So I just typed in paper texture, I chose one that I like, I took a screenshot of it, and then I saved it to my photos. So you can just come up to here, add and insert a photo, and then click on that paper texture. Then you can just scale it up to cover the entire image, just ensuring that it doesn't lose its quality. And then I'm going to set this layer to multiply. And as you can see already, look at that texture, how nice is that? I love it. And you can actually just bring the opacity down a little bit, just until you're happy with how much texture is coming through. Yeah, that is like my favorite. And I could actually just put that, if I drag this layer, I can just put it over the top of the background layer. So it's not on her, it's only on the background. So it actually just looks like I've drawn her on traditional watercolor paper almost, you know. The next way I like to add texture is through brushes. So there are loads of brushes in Procreate that add so many different amounts of texture. I have already used a brush, I think I used a dry ink brush on this to create a nice texture already for the butterfly. But say that I just wanted to put more texture over the top. I would make a new layer above the butterfly wings, and I just set it to clipping mask, which is just here if you click on the layer. So that little arrow that's pointing down means it's now clipped to the orange part of the butterfly. And so I'm just going to bring the size of the brush down slightly. I've just got it on a white colour, and I'm just going to give it some highlight. And it just gives a really nice gritty texture. I actually really like this now better than the original, even though this is an older illustration. And then you can actually just play around with the effects. You can do it on add, and that gives it a brighter effect. Yeah, so if you play around with all these effects, it gives you a different look, and then you can always bring the opacity down depending on what you like. And so that's one thing I always say in my videos, is always making a lot of different layers, because if you want to add on texture to, say, just her hair, for example, so I can just make a new layer, set it to clipping mask. I'm just going to use the same brush just for an example. So when you colour over it, it will just stay within that layer of hair. But now it's just giving a really nice texture to her hair, which I love. But yeah, have a play around with all the brushes. There are so many folders you get in Procreate. And there is actually a folder here called Textures, which has all these different textures in there. Alright, so the last way I like to add texture. So I'm going to make a new layer above everything, and then just drag this white colour over. And then coming up to this wand icon, which is adjustments, I'm going to go down to noise. And then if you just hold down your pen on the page and then drag it across, you'll see the noise percentage going up. So the more you drag it across, the more noise it adds. So I'll probably just have it quite low actually, probably around 38. And then I'm going to set that to multiply so that everything shows through. And then I'm going to bring the opacity down. And then if I zoom in, and as you can see, all this graininess is just adding a nice bit of texture over the top of everything. But you can also just drag this and then just keep it, again, just above the background layer. And that's about it. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe and check out more of my drawing videos on Procreate, and I'll see you next time. Bye!